Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover topic pair of linear equations in two variables, key points. So in the previous video we discussed intersecting lines, right? Graph. Today we are going to discuss how to represent parallel lines on the graph paper. Okay, let's start. See guys, I have taken two equations, x plus y equal to 4, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So how can you identify that? By seeing two lines, it will be either intersecting or parallel lines or coincident. Okay, we have certain steps for that. Okay, so if x coefficient in the first equation and x coefficient in the second coefficient, okay, then if y coefficient in the first equation and the y coefficient in the second equation and the constant term in the first equation and the constant term in the second equation, okay, in this scenario x coefficient is same, okay, in both, differ by constant, right? Okay, then we can say the lines are parallel. If the coefficients of x in both the equations and the coefficient of y in both the equations are same, okay, and differ by constant, then we can say those lines are parallel lines. Okay, now for that purpose, for drawing the lines in a graph paper, we need to follow certain steps, guys. So take down the first equation and convert into y equal to mx plus c format and prepare the table. Okay, take down second equation, convert into y equal to mx plus c format, that is equation of a straight line, and prepare table for that. We need to prepare this table for plotting the points on a graph paper. Okay, so here we can take any values, is up to you, which is suitable for fitting in the graph, that is up to you guys. You can take any values, but my suggestion is take small values. It will be easy for calculation and also for plotting the graph. Now after that we need to do a verification, guys. Verification, this will give the proof of the given equations. So I solve these two lines. Here x value will be 0 and y value will be 0. Okay, as I said in the previous class, that how the linear equation will be ax, what is standard form of linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b never be 0, where a comma b never be 0, that is x coefficient cannot be 0 and y coefficient cannot be 0. But here in this scenario we got x coefficient 0 and y coefficient 0, then we don't get any solutions for that. Okay, so that's why we get no solution. If you draw the graph on a graph paper, we don't get any solution, guys. Let's see. See here, this is an example of parallel lines. See, I plotted the points on a graph paper. See, these two lines are not meeting at all. Okay, this is the first line, this is second line. Okay, these two are moving in the same direction but not meeting at all. Therefore we don't get any solution for the given pair of linear equations. Okay, so I have mentioned here no common point for the both equations. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.